Hello friends, today I am sharing these easy nail art designs which can be done on very short nails. This is a mini compilation and I hope you like all these easy designs. For the first design, apply a base coat and then apply pink polish on your nails. When the polish is completely dry, take cream color and make flowers diagonally as shown. When the flowers dry up, apply a deeper center to the flower and finally finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat and your easy flower nail art design is done. This second design is a fun nail art which is an angry bird, as you can see. For this I applied a light brown polish on my nails and then using red polish I made a semicircular kind of shape towards the tip of the nail. Then using a dotting tool I made two feathers on top of that semicircle. I added another layer of red to make it a little bit more chubby, and when the polish is completely dry, I applied white polish in another semicircle which is smaller than the red polish. Then using black nail polish I made the eyes, and when the polishes are dry I used white nail polish to give it the center. Finally, when the white polish is also dry, I again gave it another black polish to finish off the eyes, and then using a little brush and some black polish I gave it the eyebrows as shown. Finally, using yellow polish, I gave it a triangular beak. Finally, I finished off the design with a layer of glossy top coat and your cute angry bird nail art design is done. This next design is a very pretty flower nail art design and is very easy to do. You can use a dotting tool or even a pencil to make the dots or a toothpick. On a white base, I used blue polish and made some flowers here and there, and I also gave it some half flowers. When the flowers dried up, I used silver polish to give it center, and I also added a few dots here and there all around the flowers. This is a very easy design and it looks very attractive. And finally, remember to apply a layer of top coat to seal in the design. This next nail art is a very easy drag marble nail art for which I have used some shades of violet and silver. So applying a base polish, I added a line of violet silver and a deeper violet color. Then using a brush, I dragged it across one side first, and then I repeated the process by dragging in between the centers towards the other side. Clean up the cuticle area using nail polish remover and a cleanup brush, and then finally I applied a layer of glossy top coat and I added 3 rhinestones towards the cuticle, and your easy drag marble nail art design is done. You may not add the rhinestones if you don't want to, because the design looks attractive in itself. This next design is a very easy polka dot nail art design. For this, all you need to do is apply any light color on your nails, and then using white polish, I made a few dots towards one corner of the nail in a C shape. When the white polish dried up, I used a pink polish, deep pink polish, and I made a smaller dot on the center of the larger white dots. Repeat this on all the white dots, leaving a few like so, and finally finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and your easy polka dot nail art design is also done. This next design is a very easy striping nail art design. For this I have used brown polish on my nail, and then using a blue glitter polish I made some horizontal stripes on the nail. This I have done on my little finger because it is very narrow. And when the nail polish dries up, I used this glimmer confetti polish and added a few white and maroonish confetti on top of the lines. Finally, I finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and this easy nail art design is also done. This next nail art is a very easy leaf nail art. For this, first apply yellow polish on your nails, and then using a green polish I made the leaf as shown. When the light green polish dried up, I used a deeper green polish to give it a little bit shading. I also added the polish on the stalk of the leaf and on the borders of the leaflets. Then I added some blue glitter on each of the leaflet. And finally, I finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and your easy leaf nail art design is also done. I hope you liked these very easy nail art designs for very short nails, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.